Hey guys, today I am making a loaded vegetable soup. Now I'm going to make this in my crock pot. You can totally make it on your stovetop. Just cook it until all these vegetables are soft. And I'm going to show you how to make this without any meat. If you just are wanting to load up on vegetables, but you could totally throw in some chicken breasts or like ground turkey to give you some added protein, and especially if you want to make this a heartier soup. You're serving it as like a main dish. So I'm going to just jump right in and get started. So I've got my slow cooker here. This is a 6-quart slow cooker. So you want it to be pretty big because we're going to fit a lot of stuff in here. I'm just going to spray some spray. Helps clean up. And then we're going to just jump right in. Sorry about my baby in the background. This is life, making dinner for your family. So I've got 1 onion that I've chopped up. And then I'm going to add about 1 pound of potatoes. Now I just did red potatoes and I kept the skins on. I scrubbed the skins and then I'm just keeping them on because that's where a lot of the nutrients are. So dump in your potatoes. And then I just chopped up 1 big sweet potato. I love the color of sweet potatoes, plus the flavor is really good. And then I just cut up some baby carrots. If you're using big carrots, I would say do about 2 whole carrots. Chop them up. And then I'm gonna do just 2 stalks of celery. You can dice those as small as you want or as big as you want, doesn't matter. And then right here I've got a can of diced tomatoes. I didn't even drain it. I'm just gonna dump the whole thing right in. And then I told you this soup is loaded with vegetables, so I am dumping in a whole bag of frozen mixed vegetables. This one has carrots and peas and green beans and corn. You can really do any vegetables in this soup, it doesn't matter. Okay, then I've got some fresh parsley, about 1/4 cup. Dump that in. And now we're going to add our spices and seasonings. So I've got 2 cloves of garlic, chopped up or minced, whatever you want it to be. Throw that in there. And then I'm going to do just salt to taste. You can do as much or as little as you want. And the great thing is you can always add salt later too, after it's done cooking, to see how much more flavor it needs. This is just some ground black pepper. Probably do like 1/4 teaspoon. Just give it a couple twists. Okay, and then garlic salt. You can also use garlic powder. Just kind of put some on there. Allspice. This is not necessary. It's completely optional, but it does give it also optional. This is crushed red pepper. It doesn't really add heat, it adds kind of just some flavor. So put that on there. Now if you wanted to add protein like chicken, this would be the time to do it. But it's totally good without that. So, and then I'm just going to add 4 cups of chicken broth. Now if you want this to be completely vegetarian, you could definitely use vegetable broth. Just kind of use whatever you have on hand. Okay. There you go. Let me grab, stir it. I'm going to give it a good mix, and then you're just going to cook this on low until your vegetables are tender. I would say maybe 3 to 4 hours on low, and then check it and see if your sweet potatoes and your red potatoes are soft. If not, go another hour or so until they are soft. But that's it. You are completely